killed the last guy.
Yeah, you killed the last guy.
That's all that matters. I don't know where I was for the rest of the game. Detroit. I love Detroit, FYI. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
That's a cool place when you think about it.
It is. I think it's like so much history too. Oh.
Lots of history. It kind of made the country what
Yeah,
it
if
is.
you like, you know, if you like hanging out in a cool place, like go to Detroit.
They've got good food. Detroit Rock City.
That's why America's known for
I think,
cars,
like,
bro.
whenever
Detroit
you
was
say
the
that,
auto
I think, like,
manufacturer.
the most, like, crime that happens is, like, on Canadians. These Canadians just keep coming, and we just keep on.
They don't.
I think we're pretty content where we're at, but we're starting to kind of get a little bit,
Just saying, you know, go to Detroit.
we're not feeling like it's
I
the
don't
same country anymore. A lot of people, I don't think. Ever since Trump took place, I've seen a total change in everything, about our country. He's really
That's because you
he's
didn't
had
want-
he's had a huge political influence on a lot of fucking idiots,
Blah 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 blah. Fuck up.
and he's sucked them into his realm
Obviously,
of
you're not watching
fucking.
history. What the fuck does JFK do? What kind of influence do he have on history?
I'm just telling you, bro,
I heard that
after
has
Trump-
the smallest penis. That's what I heard.
Nice. I'm just telling
The
you.
smallest little hands.
Okay.
Yes, I
And
heard
moving
it.
on. So I can't even think about
I
anything
think
else.
he does.
I can.
I think he does.
Did he take steroids? That took steroids.
Sounds like he. It sounds
that's
like
like the fucking that's the low point
that's
there.
the stuff he
That's
pushes.
like the 2 hour. That's the 2 hour. Like you keep that shit boiling and then you drop it. Then take steroids. Yeah. But anyway,
Like I said, the influence from these dumbasses is just it's boiled over the border
bro,
there now.
we're just trying to play a video game, bro. Can you chill out?
No, I cannot.
And don't get angry.
I am angry. I want them all to go home.
But they're not. They're just like honk honk
Honk, honk, all day long. That's all they do.
honk honk honk.
Like a bunch of fucking Canadian geese.
Guess what I'm getting?
Truck?
Oh, is he for real? Oh, he's down right here.
Now that's what I'm talking about. You can
That's
get 0
right.
kills this game, I'll be alright.
Thank you, girl. Here, I did it. Did it on my own.
Hey, you can cook the best ribs ever. She can't smell them.
That's right. And or taste them.
Guys, we should push
Oh,
this bio.
shit.
Push the corner here on bio.
No. Yeah, that's not
Like
it,
I mean, I love.
Yes.
how
Oh my God, you guys
enthusiastic
suck.
you sounded, but
So
not
bad.
with this.
Man, hold on.
No, you guys suck.
It's a team there, it's a team there. Come back.
There's a team up top. that
Oh,
just-
you guys suck so.
Why?
I got 2 guys down here. I had 3 of them down. Oh,
I don't see them.
of course you don't.
Stop. Stop it.
UAV?
I don't have a UAV.
You don't need it. These guys are garbage.
What's wrong with decon?
I don't like running in blindly. Blawa. It
It's
never
not
ends
blind.
well
I
for
told
me.
you
Yeah,
what
but
was
I don't know
going
where
on.
they are. I don't know if they're to my left or to my right. They're always the opposite of where I look. So then I die.
Oh, me, get the fuck out of here.
Closing. Get to the new safe zone. There's a mover here.
Oh, he had Kelly.
They're gonna try to drop in front of us.
Yep.
Let's get on this fence right here.
Done. Destination.
Thank you.
Yep.
I hear him coughing. Isn't he still coughing back there?
That was me. I got a satchel.
You need to cover your mouth.
They're
bro.
jump-
Oh, he's above. Here he is. Yes, he's on you.
Okay.
Hear him jumping on the left.
Movement.
Ooh.
You're not dead yet.
Oh, girl, switch cop.
Team up.
On me.
Taking shots.
Where are you?
Next objective
Up are
located.
you? No!
Watch your six. Movement.
Come on, second floor. Let's go. Come
Close
on.
that door.
Enemy UAV
It's my
overhead.
body over there.
Yeah, we got a guy 9 meters. We got a guy on top of the roof.
Gun.
Cover me on the loadout. Cover me on this spy.
Why
I'm
don't
hit.
you? There's guys all around there.
I had that much money.
They're outside the window here to the right.
Guy right here.
Impact, no joy.
Take it off. Shit.
Where the fuck?
Outside that window.
I can't even get back in the window. This game, I love it sometimes, but I hate it.
We're holding for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up.
Sweet Caroline. Bum, bum,
Bum,
bum.
bum, bum.
Good time. Don't make me some ice.
Nice.
Oh no, they're behind us.
Target destination here. Standing on target.
Fuck. He ran back that way.
Five remain. Solid
He's right here.
Fire.
Holy shit.
Stay in the. Oh, baby, he's done. He's done. What?
Oh
How
shit.
did he survive that?
Blah. I don't know. But how is he trying to... how didn't he die on his... Whatever.
Yeah,
Our team's in the safe zone.
Tried to steal my shit.
Kill him.
If I really wanted to,
You
I
tried.
could have.
Yeah.
I
you
didn't
tried.
try. No,
But
I let it.
Yeah,
go.
you did. You
Okay.
slid into it.
I was thinking about it, like I said, but then I just let it go.
No.
And if I
You
wanted
didn't
to
stop
take it,
yourself. You
Sure.
tried. It's okay, little man. It's okay. Maybe next time.
yeah.
Alright, you bet. Alright, guys, you can air on us. Close, second floor. Left.
behind you, yes. I think.
Okay.
Oh, he's coming
Looking
up.
behind.
I got him.
Gas is moving in. Use
They're
the
coming
fire.
by us. They're coming by us. Don't push them. They're coming. Don't push them. They're coming.
Buy station costs are adjusted.
There's one behind the wall right there.
Target is down. Well done. They got me in their truck. I'm drawing fire.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Put on purple. There's guys dropping right here in purple. Purple.
Fire cells down.
Purple.
Price is back to yours.
Oh, it's fucking over. Two guys down here.
Come in,
Okay.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike in.
See, there's three guys. Kill them all.
Be advised, UAV
Got one.
RTB for resupply. Shots missed.
Somebody's coughing. There's a guy coming with the car.
He's fucked.
He was crazy.
Can't come back.
Oh, it's a guy up in here I was trying to heal with.
Oh shit. I killed one. I'm trying my guns. I'm trying my guns. I could get you, yes?
Where are you?
No, stay. I'm trying my guns close. Oh, it's disabled. God damn it! Fuck.
Yaz, I'm pushing this buy station. Can you give me your cash and
Hey,
follow
I'm
me?
coming with. Yeah.
Follow, let's go.
You got a cluster.
Clock ticking. Get to the target.
You in the back, you in the back, you in.
What?
Get it back.
You wanted to buy it,
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
thanks, guys. No,
You have
no,
that precision. Use that precision on yourself and then run. Here, you can get us both back, buddy.
Airstrike inbound.
I got you. Hold on. Give me a sec. Got you.
You got this, little man. Oh, baby!
Ah. Oh, there's a mine.
Fuck! He's right above you, murder.
That right there.
Sorry, Crunch.
No, fuck him.
Thank you.
We need you. Getting rally point.
I ain't got no place.
Well, fuck, come over here and get some shit.
Here's plates here.
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Oh shit. Stay back. Come on, guys.
Gas is inbound. Less than 10 enemies remain.
Yes, this door.
5 remain. Finish the job.
Dang, there's a guy right here.
There's a guy right in here.
Keep going. Back in the zone.
Where are you?
You literally said he was right in choking here. out right behind you. He's coming out that door right there.
Yeah, got him. Wow.
Woo!
Airstrike here.
Cluster strike inbound.
That's the last one.
He's dead. It's the last one.
Ah, thank goodness.
Damn! 4 in a row? Holy shit!
Actually got some kills that time.
Yeah, we're putting in mad work today.
8.
Wait till you see the kills I just got on the end of that one. I was going ham on them.
Yeah, let's get the big boob
What?
thing here. Zombie big boobs.
Yeah.
Everybody likes boobs.
Everyone likes boobs.
Boobies!
If they say they don't, they're liars.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Except if they're zombies, then you don't like zombie boobs.
Yeah.
You ever watch those zombie porn?
Alright, best movie ever,